Are you ready? Are you excited? Are you amped up? So it's my 1K giveaway. 1,000 subscribers. And I'm giving away this nice little pencil box that I built. Walnut with a spalted maple top. To one lucky subscriber. And I would like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel and getting me to this milestone. Let's see, my subscribers list. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you. It's been quite the journey. But first I guess we have to have some rules. The rules of the subscriber giveaway are: number 1, you must be a subscriber. That kind of makes sense, seeing as it is a subscriber giveaway. Number 2, you must leave a comment below this video, right down there. Funny, sarcastic, introspective, explicit, even troll-worthy. It doesn't matter. Just put some words in down there in the comment section. Oh, and while you're scrolling by it, click that thumbs up button. Number 3, you must be human. No domesticated livestock, wild species, bird, crustacean, mollusk, amphibian, fish, or any other manner of animal. No vegetable matter or mineral allowed either. Number 4, you must live on Earth. Okay, that might be a little bit on the discriminatory side. But shipping costs. Okay, if you have somewhere on Earth I can ship it to, I can accept that. And number 5, being that it's Canada, it can't be a game of chance. There has to be a skill testing question. The question is, can you spell your name? The answer would be yes or no. I asked if you can do it. I didn't actually ask you to do it. So, yeah, that's about it. We'll let the contest run to November 30th, which is a Friday. I'll make a drawing using one of those little internet comment selection doodads. And I'll put a video up announcing the winner. The winner will have, say a week to get me their shipping address, and I'll mail this off to you. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for tuning in. Fish or any other animal, no vegetable matter. Amphibian, fish. I will pick a name using one of those little net comment selection doohickeys. Oh, shit. Oh, that fucking toilet.